Oh yes, never leave home without it. My lovely little view for the next couple days. Nice little breeze kicking up. Good times. Good times. Very simple setup. Show you what it looks like real quick. Ozark Trail tent, 3-person tent, about a little over $100. But this is what it looks like inside here. A little bit of a screen net for the window. Get some fresh air in here. I have some food on the left, some clothes, my sleeping bag, and a portable fan right there. Just a perfect touch for something like this on a warm day. Very cool. Hey everyone, it is like 3 in the morning, and I just heard some like huffing and snorting sounds. It's pretty intimidating, and like kind of stomping around, which I presume is deer. Over here at the coast of Maine, near Popham Beach, doing a little stealth camping by the beach. You can hear the waves, it's so relaxing. But yeah, that sound kind of jolted me awake, and hasn't happened for about 5 to 10 minutes. But um, here, let me show you what it looks like through the screen. That's my current view. Pretty spooky, eh? Anyway, I think at this point I'm more afraid of ticks and nasty critters getting in. I've already picked out a couple um, ticks that got inside the tent somehow. Luckily, I didn't find them on me. But yeah, it's just always worrisome when that sort of thing happens. But you can see little bugs on the other side of the net. I just have this green canopy covering thing, the 3-man Ozark tent. But well, I'm gonna chillax and try to relax a little bit and get some more rest before work in the morning. But just thought I'd update you guys about my little camping excursion so far. It's like my 2 favorite things to sleep to are happening right now: ocean waves and the pitter patter of rain on the tent roof. barely noticeable. If it gets any heavier, I'll fire up the camera again. We'll get some of that on camera. Ah, there's that rain. Just right for a camping trip. A little bit of sun, a little bit of rainy weather, and a little bit of fright from the woods of wild animals stomping around in the tent, around the tent in the dark. I'm sure they were deer, but still, kind of unnerving because I don't do this very often. In fact, this is the first time I've been camping in years, so it was high time I got my butt out there. Be a man, Bo. Alright, I'm just gonna enjoy the rain now. Night night. Good morning, everybody. Well, we made it through the night. I slept pretty darn good overall. Other than the loud sounds of animals thrashing through the woods in the middle of the night and making huffing and puffing sounds, wasn't so bad. And, I'm pretty sure it was deer I heard last night. Um, I'm sure they got a whiff of me and they're probably kind of spooked him, so poor deer. I had a couple ticks that made their way into the tent. I was able to fish them out, and I think I'm good. I just got to be very careful going in and out and not dragging anything into the tent with me. But otherwise, a solid night's rest. Got a little bit of rain and turned the fan on from time to time. It was pretty relaxing. I was able to get a decent Wi-Fi signal from the tent, so that tells you how close to civilization I actually am. So I will reveal where I'm at before we leave. We got another night, and then tomorrow I'll be heading to work again. And well, I'm heading to work after this video of this clip here, but yeah, I'll show you where I'm at. It's a lot closer than you think to civilization. All right, time to get a move on the day. Got to go to work. I will see you all later.